Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and if you never want to lose another sock while doing laundry ever again, I highly recommend these mesh laundry bags from Closet Spice. What I love most about these bags is the fact that they keep me super organized when I'm doing my laundry. So these bags come with these really cute little designs on the front, so you can decide what type of clothing you're going to put in each bag, or in my case, I've been assigning one bag to each member of my family, so I know exactly whose clothes is going in which bag, and at the end of the cycle, it takes the guesswork out of deciding whose clothes is who. So these bags are made of a really high quality honeycomb mesh. They've withstood a lot of abuse. I've been using these almost every day for a month and they're in perfect condition. The zipper works so well, it doesn't rust, and it even has a little elastic where you can tuck the zipper in to make sure it doesn't open mid-cycle. And in my case, I've been really impressed with these bags. So at the end of a cycle, you can just grab the bag itself and throw it into the dryer if you'd like, or you can definitely dry separately. I recommend filling the bag about 2/3 just to ensure your clothes get a really thorough cleaning. I've also been super impressed with the fact that I can use these as packing cubes in my suitcase. They're the perfect size, and I love the fact that these mesh bags have a little little compartment for your underwear, for your bras. So any delicate material that you want to wash separately, these bags are perfect. As well, it avoids any color bleeding during the cycle. So I highly recommend these bags. I think that if you have a family, they're a must-have. I know you're gonna love them as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.